So how can we minimize rework? How can we improve kind of the feedback loop? How can we get this out faster? Prototypes, name of the talk. So the nice thing about prototypes is you get something in front of the business, and the business can say, kind of like that, but like this instead, or I don't really like that. Could we try? What can we do differently? And as developers, we can say, oh, well, you don't like radio buttons. You can do drop down. You can do different things. We can kind of suggest and coach them once we get it in front of them. And a lot of times, as development teams, we don't really have an understanding of the software. So someone from business says, well, what happens when the user does whatever? I don't know. That's not something we accounted for. So it's kind of nice to have that business user, that business perspective there to kind of illustrate maybe gaps in our knowledge. So let's look at an example again with a prototype. We spend 20 hours building out just a bare bones prototype. We get something in front of them. From there, we can ask the questions, we can get the feedback, we can really talk through what did they actually want? What's the best programmatic way to do this? How do we get this the best solution for every party? And then we still spend that 100 hours or so. We go from a 160-hour process to a 120-hour. Again, just an example. Sometimes it's more, sometimes it's less. Sometimes it's not really any improvement, but that's sort of a typical example. So when I say prototype, what do I actually mean?